one thing I want to talk about is that my husband and I had some transpersonal sexual experiences when we met. So we had some sort of mystical experiences while we were making love. And this really catapulted me into wanting to study people who have had these kind of mystical experiences. There's actually some good articles on Christian and people from, I'm not sure if it's the Jewish tradition as well, but they've asked faith-based people also, does God come in while you're making love?
Mm.
And there's not a lot of studies on it, but there's very compelling evidence that a sizable minority of people will say yes.
Oh, I'd
If
say yes.
there's three people making love, God comes in
Yeah.
and is the third party.
Hmm.
And so my husband and I had some experiences like that when we first met, and they lasted for a year and a half. So I went back. That's one reason I'm getting my doctorate, just trying to study more about this thing that's completely not spoken about.
Hmm.
And one thing that we noticed was connecting that intimately and deeply and being open, as you would say, in a faith-based way to inviting the divine into our lovemaking. We turned, before we met, we were both people who had not been very good at relationships. And we're both kind of hoping we would find something that wasn't as bad as before. That was our
Don't
biggest.
we all? It's a start. Yeah.
And instead, we have this perfect relationship.
Mhm.
And I think spending that much time in the presence of an expanded reality, of love, of faith, of divine sexuality, it helped us evolve as people to really be able to see my partner as a manifestation of the divine and treat him so. And I was kind of annoying before. I'm sure I can still be annoying, but I'm less so uh, uh, by going through these experiences of tantric sex, of
Mhm.
making love in a way where the divine is invited, and it's not just for getting off, it's for experiencing this uh, expanded reality that making love with a person can bring you to.
Mhm.
And I really want to share this message with anyone who wants to listen, which is that there's higher purpose for sex if you want it to be. If you want to just use it to get off, that's perfectly fine. It's obviously fun and enjoyable. And if you want to take it a little further, it can actually have a healing effect on your relationship,
Mhm.
can have a healing effect on you and on your lovemaking. I remember one time Greg and I were making love, and I said, "Oh my God, this is why they call it love making, because we
Mhm.
are literally making love." And I just kind of thought I was making love before. I thought, "Oh, this process actually makes more love between the couple."
Mhm.